What does a zero y-intercept mean in algebra? Imagine you are plotting a line on a graph and it crosses the y-axis right at the point 0, 0. What does that tell you about the relationship between the variables? Well, when the line crosses at 0, 0, it means that when the x value is 0, the y value is also 0. This point is called the y-intercept, and if it is 0, we say the y-intercept is 0. In algebra, the y-intercept is shown in the equation of a line as the constant term. For example, in the equation y equals 2 times x plus 0, the 0 is the y-intercept. It tells us that the line passes through the origin, which is the point where x and y are both 0. Think of it like starting a journey at the very beginning, right at the origin point on the graph. When the y-intercept is 0, the line begins exactly at the origin. This means there is no fixed starting value for y when is 0. The value of y depends entirely on the value of x. If you look at a graph of the line y equals 3 times x, the line will go through the origin because the y-intercept is 0. That line will rise steeply as x increases, and it will pass through the point 0, 0. In real life, a 0 y-intercept can mean different things depending on what the variable's representing. For example, if y is the total cost of buying items and is the number of items, a 0 y-intercept means there is no fixed cost when no items are bought. The total cost starts at 0 and increases as more items are added. Understanding what a 0 y-intercept means helps you connect the algebraic form of the equation to its graph. It shows that the line or function begins at the origin, and the output depends only on the input. When you see an equation like y equals mx plus 0, you know the line passes through 0, 0. This is a simple but important idea in graphing and understanding linear relationships.